I heard about it. I have to still see the clip, but I'm sure he must have cried like a baby.
Can you give one message to Ali fans or जो Ali को support करें in a favor of Ali? Can you just give me a message?
Guys, you all are doing a fabulous job. Keep supporting him, and let's wish him all the very best, and let's be there for him. Hi guys, this is Pinafsha Sunawala. You're watching FIFA Fools. Like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.
Hi Benafsha, I'm Rahul Bhoj from FIFA Fools.
Hi Rahul, how are you?
Hi, you're looking very cute.
Thank you.
Benafsha, सबसे पहले तो आपको हैप्पी न्यू ईयर एंड
Same to you.
2020
Same to you.
तो चला गया जिस तरीके से, लेकिन 21 अच्छा जाए, हम तो यही कामना करते हैं.
Yes.
So how are you? कैसी हैं आप?
I'm all good. I'm all good. Just working. Mom, go inside. Sorry.
Okay, working on.
Just working on a few projects. I रोज का काम यार, मतलब I don't stop working. Like whether my projects are out or not, I'm always working on my training or something or the other, or on my fitness or something or the other. You know, always. So that's like my forever thing. So abhi bhi main uth ke, I'm gonna finish my interviews and then go and finish some other works. There's a lot of things. Working is, so that's basically working.
Okay. Benafsha, अभी हम आपको किन नए प्रोजेक्ट्स में देखेंगे? अभी हमने आपका रिसेंट गोवा पिक्चर्स देखी थी, दैट वाज वेरी हॉट, जो आपने बिकिनी शूट्स एंड ऑल किया था, बहुत अच्छा था एंड हमने चैनल में उसे कवर भी किया था. सो अभी आपका क्या प्रोजेक्ट्स आ रहे हैं और फैंस को आप क्या कहना चाहेंगे?
मैं फैंस को यही कहना चाहूंगी कि अभी मेरे बहुत सारे मैगजीन कवर्स आने वाले हैं, ना एक ना दो पर बहुत सारे. तो उसके लिए मैं बहुत एक्साइटेड हूँ, क्योंकि मैंने एक किया था और फिर मुझे ऑफर्स मिलते रहे, और वो एक भी हमें ऑफर किया गया था मुझे और मेरी टीम को. सो वे सुपर हैप्पी. एंड बहुत सारे अच्छे हॉट आप लोग को पिक्चर्स देखने मिलेंगे, मॉडलिंग पिक्चर्स एक्सेट्रा कैलेंडर पिक्चर्स एक्सेट्रा. एंड थोड़े जो प्रोजेक्ट्स है जो इंडस्ट्री के हैं, जो यू नो मे बी वेब सीरीज और मे बी लाइक अ video or music video or something. I am just hoping for the best. I'm in talks. I'm trying to do stuff that will make my fans really happy to see me. So I'm just working on that.
We are really waiting for you.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
बेनाफ्शा, कितना फॉलो कर पा रही हैं आप बिग बॉस सीजन 2020? अब जो मतलब ऑब्वियसली सीजन 14 है.
हाँ, I'm not following Big Boss much, but I keep seeing the updates on Instagram, and I scroll sometimes through the updates and I see what's going on when I have the time. But I'm sure everybody's playing really well, and I'm sure it's a great season as always, and I wish them all the very best.
ओके बेनाफ्शा, क्या लगता है कि कौन आपको सबसे ज्यादा, जिसका गेम आपको बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है, बहुत ही ज्यादा बेहतरीन लग रहा है?
मैंने एक्चुअली देखा नहीं है to judge so quickly because I haven't seen the show, you know, but I'm hearing very good things about a lot of contestants. So all the very best.
जैसे
there are many. I don't want to take names. See, I'm not going to take any names. I'm sure everybody's playing really well. And if I take a name, I know you all will make it like, इन्होंने इनका नाम ये वो, nothing. I've not seen the show, so I'm not going to take any names. I'm just going to say that I'm hearing कि सभी अच्छा खेल रहे हैं, बस.
ओके बेनाफ्शा, विकास गुप्ता आपके सीजन में भी थे और इस सीजन में भी.
No personal questions, please. Please.
ओके. सो बेनाफ्शा, बस एक चीज जाननी थी आपसे कि रुबीना दिलैक, जो काफी उनका नाम सामने आ रहा है, अगर उनके बारे में कुछ आप कहना चाहती हैं तो, मतलब आप किसी पर्टिकुलर कंटेस्टेंट का मैं नहीं पूछूंगा, मैं बस इतना पूछूंगा कि उनका काम कैसा लग रहा है, उनका खेल कैसा लग रहा है.
मैंने एक्चुअली देखा ही नहीं है बिग बॉस, ये सब आंसर करने के लिए मुझे आइडिया ही नहीं है. तो अगर मुझे पता होता कि ये इंटरव्यू में इतना पूछने वाले हो उनके बारे में, तो मैं शायद देख भी लेती, पर मैंने अभी तक नहीं देखा अनफॉर्चुनेटली. सो मैं किसी के बारे में कुछ नहीं बोलना चाहती unless I've seen something. You know, I don't want to comment on anybody. So नहीं करते.
ओके चलिए ठीक है. ओके बेनाफ्शा, प्रोजेक्ट्स की थोड़ी सी डिटेल्स बताइए ना, कि मतलब म्यूजिक वीडियोस या फिर आपने बोला अभी वेब सीरीज, तो उनके बारे में थोड़ा सा.
नहीं, मैं आपको इतना बता रही हूँ कि I will definitely do something big that my fans would love to see. अभी I'm not saying कि मैं अभी करने वाली हूँ या बाद में करने वाली हूँ, कब करने वाली हूँ, but I'm trying for something. I'm basically मेरा अभी जो पूरा focus है ना वो इस चीज पे है that I have to crack a lot of good things, a lot of good projects, and a lot of good cinema, a lot of good music because I'm interested in music also. There's a lot of things that I need to do. So, sorry. So when the time is right, everybody will know, and I will also be killing it when the time is right.
ओके बेनाफ्शा ओटीटी प्लेटफॉर्म का क्या फ्यूचर है आपको क्या लगता है बिकॉज़ जिस हिसाब से ओटीटी प्लेटफॉर्म एक्सटेंड हो रहा है व्हाट इज योर रिएक्शन ऑन दिस
I think OTT platforms are killing it. Yeah, I think OTT platforms are really smashing the game, and a lot of amazing shows are coming up, and really gripping, and really good stuff. You know, so I feel like it's a very promising thing that's happening, and it's just gonna get bigger. So yeah.
ओके एंड सिनेमा के बारे में क्या कहेंगे क्या थिएटर में जिस तरीके से अभी पिछले साल तो खुले नहीं थे एंड पूरा लॉकडाउन था कोरोना था और इस बार सीजन मतलब इस बार 2021 में आप एक्साइटेड हैं किसी फिल्म के लिए पर्टिकुलरली जो आ रही है
um, um, अभी तक तो मैं इतनी इन्वॉल्व नहीं रही हूँ कि मुझे पता है कि कौन से मूवीज नहीं रिलीज हुए हैं जो आने वाले हैं पर कुछ आई थिंक डॉक्यूमेंट्रीज और सब आई थिंक people are preparing for and I would really see I just want to see good acting and good cinema that's it because that's a lot to we get a lot of things to learn from that and I think the quality of Indian cinema just completely increases when good work is happening, you know, so I think that's very important.
ओके सो देयर इज अ सेगमेंट मैं एक सेगमेंट आपके साथ खेलना चाहता हूँ कि फर्स्ट टाइम योर फर्स्ट सैलरी चेक योर फर्स्ट फोन सो आर यू एक्साइटेड फॉर दैट मतलब खेलें
Okay, if I remember I'll answer.
Okay, so it's first time with Benasha. So Benasha, your first salary check.
My first salary check. I don't remember. I think it was I was shooting something for I was hosting a show, my first show, and I was supposed to get 15,000 per day for 20 days. So I was mala that time. And that time for my first ever thing for a 19-year-old, it was really good money. So I was super happy. Abhi to khair, touch wood, things have really changed with the money part of it also in a very good way. God has been really kind. But us time pe bhi God has been so kind and I will never forget that. So yeah.
Okay. First pet.
I don't have a pet. I don't
अच्छा
have
अभी
any.
तक
Nahi,
Okay.
ek bhi nahi.
First
Unfortunately,
car.
but I should get one. First car, I don't remember. I think it was Honda City, blue color.
Honda?
City,
Okay, Honda
blue
City.
color. Yeah,
Honda.
my but that was not my car. Like my actually, if you're asking me, my first car, like my brought bought first car, bought brought it home and bought it home.
First celebrity male crush.
No, I have to answer the car thing first. So my first car is actually Kia, the one that I bought myself. So yeah,
Okay.
recently only. So yeah, and the other cars are all family cars. So yeah.
Okay. First celebrity crush male.
First celebrity crush male was I think it was between Hrithik and Salman. Yeah, when I was a kid, as a kid, I remember I cried a lot when Hrithik died in Kaho Na Pyar Hai.
कौन है प्यार है?
Yeah, and I was a big fan of, like still am, always will be, of Salman too, as a kid. So I think these are my first male crushes. Then though there was Ranveer Singh, Ranbir Kapoor, those were also there. So yeah.
First celebrity crush female.
First celebrity crush female, Blake Lively.
Blake Lively.
Blake Lively, yes.
Okay.
Till
Okay.
date, super hot.
First movie watched in a theater.
Kaho Na Pyar Hai. Yeah,
Kaho Na
that's
Pyar
right.
Hai. Very nice.
Yes.
Very. First award in this industry.
Or Kaho Na Pyar, either I'd watched that or I had watched what is that movie where there's the Aati Kya Khandala song?
Sorry.
What is that movie where there's the Atikia Khandala song?
Acha Gulam.
Gulam. Either that. No, actually that I've seen Kaho Na Pyare.
Amir Khan, Rani Mukherjee.
No. I've seen Kaho Na Pyare first, I think. Or Gulam. I don't remember. One of them.
Okay.
I think Kaho Na Pyare. Okay.
Okay. First luxury gift.
My parents have gifted me with a lot of gold rings and all. So since I was a kid, only gold earrings and gold rings. So I think all this while I didn't understand back then. I used to get irritated wearing all these gold earrings normally. I still till now I don't wear earrings anymore, like those typical permanent ones. But like every birthday they've given me something luxurious only, either a phone or something of gold or something or the other. So I've been like lucky.
First dish you ever cooked?
First dish I ever cooked, nothing yet. That still has to happen. Nothing.
Okay. First boyfriend?
I think I should say first crush as a kid.
Okay.
Yeah. Somebody in my college.
Okay. First kiss?
Don't remember.
First mobile phone?
First mobile phone as a really small kid, yeah. I think in the 5th or 6th grade I had gotten a phone. Or 8th. I don't remember. But somewhere between 6th and 8th. 6th and 8th grade I got that.
Oh, okay.
I don't remember what phone it was, but I remember having one of my earlier phones when I was a kid and all was Sony Ericsson. I remember being obsessed with like Sony Ericsson. So yeah.
Okay. First ad film?
First
ad film
that I did or that I watched.
No. Did.
So I did this ad film for Vodafone HD when Vodafone Red HD or something had come out. I had done like it was like a family theme where there was a family fully obsessed with their phones and did like a nice jingle they had where they would play some song and it was on TV for a while. It was really lovely. Everybody was really excited to see me that time because it was my first project, my ad. I hadn't done anything that time. I was like a 17-year-old or something. So it was really, really exciting and I had a lot of fun. So that was amazing. Good experience.
Okay. So this is not the first thing question. This is something different. इतने सारे celebrities आए हैं Big Boss के घर में. Which one is your personal favorite?
From the first to the last season.
Yeah.
I haven't watched honestly too many seasons to answer this.
But फिर भी
I haven't watched if I have watched everything and then I'm judging amongst people who have seen, then it's fair. But I can tell that there was this man in my season who was absolutely amazing and I think is one of the best people. Who is of course the person you all are thinking. I think you all might know his name is Hiten. And I think Hiten is one of the nicest human beings, the most sorted, funniest, the classiest human beings to have entered Big Boss. So yeah, he is awesome. And I can't judge because I haven't seen all the seasons, but I can definitely judge from my season. And by judging through my season, I can tell for sure that he is one of the best to have entered Big Boss.
Okay. चलते एक आखिरी सवाल बस ये जानना चाहता हूँ prediction. Whom do you think will win Big Boss 2020? Season 14.
No idea. Haven't seen. Who do you think will win?
I don't know. There are many speculations near about Rubina, Rahul, or Ejaz.
Okay, that's great. If that's what's happening, then that's great. I hope somebody deserving definitely wins and comes out. So yeah.
Okay, thank you so much, Benafsha.
But I'll be rooting for my friend Ali for sure.
Oh, okay, Ali. Yes. Okay. Yes. अभी Jasmine बाहर आ गई. So what is your reaction? Have you saw that clip जो Ali बहुत रो रहा है?
I heard about it. I heard about it. I have to still see the clip, but I'm sure he must have cried like a baby. And I hope he's okay. I hope they're all okay.
Okay. Can you give one message to Ali fans or जो Ali को support करें? in a favor of Ali, can you just give me a message?
Guys, you all are doing a fabulous job. Keep supporting him, and let's wish him all the very best, and let's be there for him. That's it.
Thank you so much, Benafsha. Thank you so much.